Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. A power lift gate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist. Also includes the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you an LED logo, which appears when you open the door. Memory seats, power windows. Hopping in. We've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. A black wood trim on the interior. Hard keys for media display. This one also does come with the backup camera. Heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA 250 has 3,031 miles, very low mileage. If you'd like a few more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.